In a significant development, the Supreme Court bench of Justices Abhay S. Oak and Ujjal Bhuya today expressed certain concerns with the senior designation system, which has been laid down as per two judgments rendered by the top court in Indira Jaising case in 2017 and 2023. The bench clarified that it was not disrespecting the two binding decisions and was only recording the concerns to enable the Chief Justice of India to take an appropriate decision on a larger bench reference. The concern flagged by the bench are: first, no advocate can claim designation as a right under Section 16(2) of the Advocates Act. It is a privilege granted by the Supreme Court or the High Courts. Second, the interview process for designation is limited in assessing an advocate's overall suitability, as only 25 out of 100 points are assigned to it. The permanent committee follows a points-based formula without flexibility to consider integrity, fairness, or pending complaints. Even if an advocate has professional misconduct issues, there is no mechanism to reduce marks based on reputation or conduct outside the interview. And third, the evaluation process requires the permanent committee to review numerous judgments and publications submitted by the applicant. However, it is unclear whether the 5 members, including senior judges and advocates, can thoroughly assess each submission to fairly assign 50 marks. The practicality of dedicating extensive time per candidate raises concerns. Thus, points-based assessment is not free from defects. The question is whether it can form the basis of assessment of an advocate. Raising these concerns, the bench directed the Registrar General to place a copy of the judgment before the Chief Justice of India to decide whether the issues flagged are to be considered by a bench of appropriate strength. Let me tell you, the bench delivered this judgment on issues concerning the code of conduct for advocates on record and the process of senior advocate designation. This case arose from false statements and suppression of material facts made by senior advocate Rishi Malhotra in multiple remission pleas. In the judgment, the court also outlined the duties of advocate on record, stating that AOR is fully accountable for filings, even if drafted by another advocate. The AOR must verify facts, ensure all relevant documents are annexed, and clarify doubts before submission. They cannot shift responsibility for incorrect statements to others. The court said that their duty extends beyond filing, requiring them to be prepared even in the absence of appointed counsel.